Hello guys, my name is Chef Ken of the Kids Can Cook Kitchen. On today's lesson, we are going to prepare hot dog. At home, you can prepare hot dogs very easily. We have buns, we have some Smokies, we have soy sauce, onion, ketchup, and mayo. This will be our sauce. I prefer cocktail sauce very much. It's my favorite. At home, you can add mustard, chili. Okay, this mixture is very nice. We add some oil to the pan, heat oil till medium hot. As we heat the oil, we'll cut our onions into juliennes. Cutting the onions into juliennes is just straight cuts. Yeah, thinly straight. Like this. These are juliennes, just straight cuts. We have different types of cuts. We have julienne, we have diced, we have cubes. It depends. Our Smokies in. So you can use viennas, but I prefer Smokies because they are very readily available. So as we fry the Smokies, you have two options of cutting the hot dog. There is this option that I prefer. Cutting or slicing the top. Okay, and there is this that you can also slice at the edge, at the side. Whichever way you prefer, it's the best. I prefer cutting it on top because the base will still sit or be placed well at the center of the plate or at the base. Fry the Smokies till golden brown. You can do beef Smokies, chicken Smokies, you can do viennas, pork viennas, or also sausages. I love Smokies because they are ready to eat. You just cook them. My Smokies are ready. You cook them for few minutes. Then on the same pan, in goes our onion. Sweat the onions. Add some oil. So to sweat is to fry, but not till golden brown. Just to make sure that the aroma comes out. Then add some soy sauce for color and taste. On these, I'll wear my kitchen gloves. Yes, as you can see, our onions are ready. Do not overcook the onions. Just sweat the onions. My onions are ready. I prefer starting with the sauce in, then some onions, So depending with the size of the bun, hot dog bun, you can do 2 Smokies or 1. I love my hot dog saucy. Also cocktail sauce on top. Remember, I started with the cocktail sauce, onions, then my Smokies. There we have our hot dog. On top, the sided hot dog, the one that we cut on the side, add some cocktail sauce, some onion, then in goes our Smokies, some cocktail sauce on top. There we go. We have 2 hot dogs, different ways, one cut on the top and one cut on the side. Whichever way you prefer. At home, you can make a quick fix of a hot dog within 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you. You can watch Kids Can Cook on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Watch and learn more. Bye bye.
Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job.
You guys want hot dog?
Yeah.
Wait.
I like bread.
On the bread. Okay, just wait.
I like bread.
You love the sauce?
You like onions? No, they're cooked. No, still yummy.
Oh, very yummy.
Jasmine, just taste one. I don't like some.
Okay.
Then one.
Aye, now I've already, there is no hot dog food. I've already put the nini.
I like onions.
And you, do you want hot dog?
Yes.
But it has onions. You will
I
eat.
don't like.
Now what will you do? And you, Jasmine, do you want? Oh, Gihanna, do you want? Hiya, Jazz, this one is without onion. This one is without onion.